Alright, so it's currently the 2026 New York City blizzard. The New York City blizzard. We're here with our twin Subaru builds. Just dug him out of the snow. I'll post a picture how he was trapped in there. Got mine out a little earlier. And currently right now, New York City is under Mayor Mamdani's travel ban from 9 p.m. last night to 12 p.m. noon today. What time is it right now?
Let's see. It's 10:19.
10:19. So we're still under travel ban, and the snow's still coming down. But man, you can't lock me down. I'm outside. I'm in my symmetrical all-wheel drive Subaru. Nisha's gonna eat this up like nothing. So let's get out there. Let's get out there.
First things first, I'm gonna spin the block regular. See how that do.
Alright. Yeah, spin the block while I turn my car on. Alright, so let's get in the blah bar. Turn this bad boy on. I'm gonna put my gloves back on, whatever. A lot of people walking in the street. Bus? I thought there were no buses. my zip tie that holds up my bumper broke. Oh, do I have more zip ties right now? I think I should. I should have a bunch of zip ties. I know I got zip ties in here somewhere. The tow truck is stuck. Do you even build cars if you don't carry zip ties on you? Yeah, my bumper was held on by one single zip tie already before, so I'm not really surprised. Oh God, it's too cold for me to fucking do this right. I don't know, I didn't do the best job. I don't really care, it's cold. Nah, but I mean, that was my fault. I thought I was playing dirt rally. I started booming second gear, third gear. But it's alright. That ain't nothing. I don't know. Yeah, I fixed it. Yo, appreciate you. Started drifting out. This is the problem in the world. I just put $15 in my gas tank and it's barely even ready. Nah. Nonetheless, let's get on. They paved it, but there's, you know, still a light layer on the floor. Nice. I can still get slippery on it, but not get stuck. In that center area right there. Some spots. Yeah, I know. Yeah. You could try my car if you want.
With this deal, your car feel heat.
Subarus are in their habitat. We got them out here doing what they made to do. Side shield came off. You're not outside in winter. You're not zip tying your shit back on. Well, let's go. Let's go. I love my Subaru. So we about to get on lot. Got the cars all packed up, ready to go. Subaru WRXs. So, that's been the 2026 New York City Blizzard. Hope you enjoyed our snow drifting here in our Subaru WRXs. Cars will get through anything. So we're gonna keep it pushing. I guess make our way out of here. But you see it's still coming down, so we're gonna take it home. And you guys enjoyed the video. It looked crazy outside.